We're at Tech 2025, so the big question is what will dominate the digital landscape and strategies for digital marketing going forward. And for that, I have a very special guest, Vineet Jain from Vima. Thank you so much for taking out
Hi,
the time and joining us. And welcome to Tech 2025.
thank you.
So we're talking about digital landscape changing. We're talking about changing strategies for digital marketing, right? So let's begin with one big challenge and opportunity that you see dominating digital marketing going in 2025.
Yeah, I think obviously it's a need of hour, I can say. And last couple of years we are working hard into it. How we can spend more and more on this particular aspect and bring the relevant set of consumer and customer to us. A lot of things we did, and a couple of things again are required to be done in the coming future. Typically, when we are talking, we are in the world where now consumption is shifting
Yeah.
from the hand of the Gen X or Gen I can say the millennial to Gen Z and Gen Alpha soon, right? And those are like they are on this digital platform only. So typically the traditional media, okay, those are not very valid or relevant as on today. So you have to be there, and how we can bring the correct ROI, how we can bring the relevant content. I think those things are important critical parameter for us to have the digital this thing.
Sure. You said there is a change in the consumer as well, right? So consumer behavior is
Yeah.
also changing. So talk to me about the changing consumer behavior and strategy that is needed to adapt to that changing consumer behavior as well.
So today we are in the fashion largely. Okay. So earlier people used to buy fashion like on certain occasions, like
Okay.
Holi, Diwali festivities and certain birthdays.
Yeah.
But now fashion is like a more perishable kind of thing.
Yeah.
It is like every day people are consuming.
Yeah.
By and large, say every occasion photograph you need the one new outfit.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the trend in the market, and how we can fulfill that trend.
Yeah.
That is a question to us as a retailer.
Yeah.
So this is the one big change. Earlier
Yeah.
people shop with the good quantum. Okay. Now they are coming more frequently and they
Yeah.
are shopping, and they stick to their relevance part. So if I'm talking fashion, I think couple of things changed. Last couple of years, the fit of the outfit is completely changed. It's
Yeah.
like more of the oversized.
Sure.
The earlier maybe 4 or 5 fits were there of the denim.
Sure.
Today we are dealing with a 10 to 12 fits of the denim.
Yeah.
So lot of couple of things are changing. How we can be relevant and address those customers.
Yeah.
I think that is important. And obviously their consumption is more on the digital front.
Sure.
So to attract them, to bring them again and again in our outlet or the online platform, you have to be relevant and you have to be more focused towards digital.
Right. So as you're saying, you have to be digital first, you have to understand the needs. That also means you need to readapt the content format and what you're offering to them as well. Specifically, if I ask you about short form video, how are you dabbling with that, and how are you also seeing the rise of regional content creators going forward?
No, it's very critical because vernacular and local vocal,
Yeah.
these are very critical because we are talking customer in their own language.
Correct.
You
Exactly.
have to feel them that this is your store. We are here for you,
Yeah.
rather than we are a national brand
Correct.
or something. It never work, right? So relevancy, to create relevancy is very 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 important.
Okay.
From the vernacular language, from their what exactly they need,
Yeah.
and on what occasion. You have to celebrate the relevant festivals also with
Yeah.
them. One thing we learned, like I can say, if you are not celebrating festivals in the big manner, okay, you will certainly fail, because
Yeah.
they will never take your outlet or your platform
Yeah.
as a relevant platform for them to come.
Correct. And they won't come back to that platform also.
Absolutely.
So just talk to me about, because you're in the right direction, hyper-local strategies are also being
Absolutely.
thought about every
Absolutely.
single day. So
Absolutely.
talk to me about their integration as well.
So obviously we have the immense amount of the database.
Yeah.
Largely I can say we are dealing with the more than 4 crore consumers
Yeah.
every year.
Yeah.
And that too again in the tier 2 and tier 3 market.
Correct.
So, and 70% of the customers, like they are the loyal customers.
Yeah.
Why I am saying them to loyal? Because they are coming repeat customer
Yeah.
for us.
Yeah.
Our repeat sales mix is like 70% type. So unless until you understand them,
Yeah.
their need, their consumption pattern, their consumption timing, habits, occasion, what they are buying and what they are not buying. Not buying is more critical, which means somewhere we are not able to address those things to
Correct.
that particular segment of the customer. So that hyper local is very very important.
Correct.
You
Correct.
have to deal with them one to one.
Yeah.
And they love that. Today
Yeah.
it is not like one communication working for all.
Absolutely.
People love to have if you are communicating with me as a directly.
Yeah.
I think that is more
And it
relevant.
needs to be more personalized also.
Absolutely.
So we'll do a fun rapid fire now. I want to understand one word that describes AdTech 2025.
I think digital AI.
Okay, lovely. How's your experience been so far at AdTech?
I think awesome. It's not the first year. I was here for a good number of the years.
Okay.
I was last year. I remember it was in the Leela.
Leela,
So
correct.
yeah. So
What makes AdTech be different than other events?
it is more relevant and generally, see, I am in the retail industry.
Okay.
So participating more and more in the retail conferences. But AdTech, I think, is a good platform, bringing
Mix of-
all the set of the industries and products and all. So that is
Yeah.
I think the cross learning is there,
Okay.
and it's like more diversified.
Perfect. Thank you so much and have a great day too as well at AdTech
Thank you.
2025.
Thanks, Nidima.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Bye.